Today I'm going to show you a very neat and virtually invisible type of increase you can work in knitting called the lifted increase. It's such a perfect increase to use on shaped areas such as necklines and armholes. Since there is a right leaning and a left leaning version, you can follow the line of your knitting for a very neat finish. If you want to jump to a particular part of the video, just hover over the play line to see the chapters. So let's get started. Let's look at a lifted increase then. It's almost invisible. It's a really nice, neat increase. So we're going to knit again to where we want our increase placed. I will do, say, 6 stitches this time. 5, 6. Okay, so now with your right needle, lift the stitch below your next stitch. Okay, this is your next stitch. This is a stitch below it. Lift it up and place it on your left needle, just like that. So we've got 2 stitches together now. Knit that lifted stitch and knit the next stitch. So we've created 2 from 1. Okay, now that's like a right leaning one. So let's do a little bit more and work a left leaning one. I'll work to the last 6 stitches to keep it balanced. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we go. I'm going to do a left one now. Now this is slightly different because what we have to do now is with our left needle, we need to lift the stitch below the one we've just worked, but not that one below, the one below that. So that might seem a bit odd, but why is that when we just did it from the one below on the right hand side? Well, let's think about it. If you're doing from the one below, we work that and then we work that stitch. Well, we've already worked that stitch now because we've got to go on the other side of it. So instead of lifting that one, we've got to lift the one below, which can be a little bit tricky. Okay, so lift that one and place it on the left needle and knit it and knit to the end. So let's have a little look at those 2 now. So here we are, over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there's our right one, and over here, 3, 4, 5, 6, is our left one, leaning to the left there. I hope you enjoyed that. If you would like to grab a PDF describing how to work all the types of increases I show in my videos, including this one, you can download that from the link in the description. See you soon.